there, welcome back to Whiskey and Wit. I'm Whitney, and today we are using Dollar Tree products to make this really simple and easy farmhouse style pumpkin topiary, so stay tuned. You'll need 3 styrofoam Dollar Tree pumpkins for this DIY. These are usually in the front of the store and they're in like a cardboard tub that you can just grab and go. You're also going to need 1 pack of burlap leaves from the Dollar Tree, wooden dowels, and then Waverly chalk paint and this apple barrel paint I got from Walmart. Step 1, remove the stems from all of your pumpkins, and the best method I found was to twist and pull. Next, I took my Waverly chalk paint and gave each pumpkin 3 layers of paint, and make sure to kind of coat it on there so then that way the orange is fully covered. Once those are dry and you've painted your stems brown, you're going to take the dowels and set up what you want your topiaries to look like before you set it with your hot glue gun. I set everything up, made sure everything was center, looked how I wanted it to look, and then I started adding some of the burlap leaves. I like these because they've got those sticks on the back, the ways that you can hang them, so it made it easy to just insert that into the styrofoam. Then I hit every layer with some hot glue just so then that way you could pick it up as one unit and it wasn't going to fall apart, and it also got some additional stability with those dowel rods on the inside. And there you have it, super simple and easy, quick DIY pumpkin topiary. These would look so cute on a dining room table, kind of flanking a 3-tiered tray. I have these displayed underneath my TV with some other pumpkins just to kind of make my cable and Wi-Fi box look a little bit more festive. I also have one in my front room. These would also look great in the corner of your kitchen because they're really easy to move if you need that counter space, but then you can kind of put it up and it will really add a farmhouse touch to your fall decor. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video inspired you. Please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!